Jerusalema 24 count dance starts like this. We're going to step forward with the left foot, and we're going to bounce 4 times. You have a choice. You can just bounce. All right. You can thrust your hips, which is what I think is fun to do. You can pick your feet up 4 times, 2, 3, 4, or you can tap your heel 4 times, or you can combine the footwork with the hip work. All right. So the first 4 counts are 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to switch. There's 2 ways to switch. You can just switch your feet so the front's in back and the left is behind. The right is in front and the left is behind. Or, especially if you can't really jump that well, you can just do a little and step with that left foot next to the right, and then step forward with the left. So that would look like and 1. All right. Once you get to the switch on the 1, you're going to bounce 4 times again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first 8 counts are like this: 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and switch 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's 8 counts. Next 4 counts, we're going to switch 4 times. You can put the and in between, or you can just do the jump and switch. Okay, the jump and switch would look like this: switch, 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 switch. I like to angle my body a little bit as I do that. I think it's a little more attractive, but I don't always do that. The other way you can do it is put the and in between. I think I ended with my right in front, and you can do and switch, and switch, and switch, and switch. Okay. After those 4 counts, you're going to do, on this one, you do want to put the and in. You want to step with that right foot and 1, and you want to bend way into that 1. So the way the 4 switches now look like, including the next step, would be switch and switch, 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 and 1. From here, we're going to walk forward 4 counts. That was 1. We're crouched down. We're going to gradually raise our body to full height. As we get to 4, we're also going to turn a quarter turn to the left wall on the left as we get head to count 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we're now facing our new wall. From here, we're going to touch with our left foot. That means we don't put weight on it. We're going to step, then cross right over left, and then step with the left. And then we're going to touch with our right foot and take 3 steps back, starting with the right. Right, left, right. And the dance starts again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So from the beginning, it looks like this: 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and switch. 2, 3, 4, and switch, 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 and 1, 2, 3 with a turn. Touch, step, cross, step, touch, back, 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 and we begin again. That's the dance. A couple of styling things. First of all, there's no wrong way to do this. There's many, many different ways. Everyone does it differently, so you can make it up. All the crosses that we do are in front, okay? Most grapevines start with a cross behind. So if you end up doing what you're used to, that is a grapevine with a cross behind, no big deal, no big deal. When you're walking back, 1, 2, 3, it's kind of nice to separate your legs a little bit instead of just a straight walk back. That's all the styling points I can think of. All right, so that was the quick review lesson. Here we go. Five, 6, 7, 8.
Jerusalema ikhaya lami, ilondoloze uhambe nami, zungangishilana. Jerusalema ikhaya lami, ilondoloze dawo yami ayikholana, buso wami awukholana. Ilondoloze zuhambe nami, dawo yami ayikholana, buso wami awukholana.